In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove participants from Microsoft Teams meetings. This is a crucial skill to have, especially if you're managing a meeting and need to maintain order or privacy. So whether you're an organizer or a presenter, let's walk through the steps to effectively manage your Teams meeting. To begin, you'll need to start or join your Microsoft Teams meeting. It's important to note that only the organizer or a designated presenter has the authority to remove participants, so make sure you have one of those roles before proceeding. Once you're in the meeting, you'll want to turn your attention to the meeting toolbar, where you'll see various icons that help you manage the meeting. The next step is to open the participants panel. On the meeting toolbar, locate and click the people icon, which represents the participants. This will bring up a list of everyone currently attending the meeting on the right side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to managing who stays and who goes. Now let's focus on removing a participant. To do this, hover your mouse over the name of the person you wish to remove. You'll notice that an options menu appears next to their name, indicated by 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down list of actions you can take. From the list, you'll want to select the option that says Remove. As soon as you click Remove, that participant will be immediately removed from the meeting. This action is both swift and decisive, ensuring that your meeting can proceed uninterrupted and without unwanted participants. Remember that once a participant is removed, they cannot rejoin the meeting unless they are re-invited. This provides an added layer of security and control over your meeting environment. As you're managing your participants, it's always a good practice to communicate with them about the reason for removal, especially if it's related to things like accidental invites or scheduling errors. Clear communication helps maintain professionalism and reduces potential misunderstandings. To recap, start by joining or initiating your Microsoft Teams meeting and confirm your role as an organizer or presenter. Use the people icon on the meeting toolbar to open the participants panel. Then hover over a participant's name and use the More Options menu to select and execute the Remove option. These steps will help you maintain the integrity and focus of your meeting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your Microsoft Teams meetings efficiently. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and ensure smooth virtual collaborations.